Welcome back, friend. Today this I am showing you urine microscopy, and this microscopy showing yeast cells. As you can see, there is buds in the yeast cells. This is the candida fungus that will cause the budding form of fungal infection. These are candida. If you will see long elongated, that will be fungal hyphae. So this, you can see, the best way to identify yeast cell is the buds. You look for budding in RBCs, in the yeast cell, and this can differentiate between RBC and yeast cell. In RBC there will be single cell, but in yeast cell you will always find buds in the yeast cell, and yeast cell shape also elongated, but RBCs will be round oval shape, or there is other form according to the type of infection, crenated or some other form. But in this video I will focus on the yeast cell infection, and other than yeast there is bacteria. And you see there are how many buds. You can see this is the candida type of fungal infection. Yeast infection occur due to overgrowth of Candida fungus, while urinary tract infection result from bacterial infection in the urinary tract. And yeast infection cause itching, pain, and odorless vaginal discharge. Other hand, the urinary tract infection causing urinary symptoms such as urge to urinate and painful urination. But yeast cell will cause itching, pain, and odorless vaginal discharge. And yeast cell infection is more common in females than males. And other than in diabetic conditions also, you can observe yeast infection in diabetic patients also, but it's treatable, it's not a big deal. I hope now you understand and you can easily identify yeast cells in your urine microscopies.